It's startling and aggravating for hard-working Australian families to have had their finances ripped apart over the last 13 months, and then to see the very places where their money is going, to see such big profits. I mean, it's heart-wrenching and it's aggravating to the extreme.
It is aggravating, but I don't think any of the big five banks are going to report low profits. I think they're all going to come with big profits.
So it's come from us, hasn't it?
It comes from us, and you know, my argument all the time is let's give someone else a go. Go and try the Bank of Queensland, or try Suncorp Bank, or try Bendigo Bank, or try, for that matter, try Yellow Brick Road. Try somebody else, because we all lend the same money. The money all comes from the same place. There's no designer or Armani dollars, okay? The dollar's a dollar, whether it's a CBA dollar, Yellow Brick Road dollar, or a Bank of Queensland dollar. No Armani dollars. And we just all work on smaller margins, basically. So if you are feeling the way you're talking about, Carl, then go to your broker and say to your broker, find me another lender, and then have a crack. You've got to vote with your feet.
Because it sounds like there's no hope of a cut. All right, well, let's see what our viewers have said, because they have come in with some questions. Nat's asked, why do the banks not follow the rate of the RBA? Their rate is well above the RBA's rate. OK,
the RBA's rate, it's called the cash rate. It is the lowest rate in the country that anyone can borrow at, but again, you can't borrow from the RBA. So the RBA sets the bar for the lowest, with the lowest risk rate in the marketplace, and all that means is the banks effectively have the cost of funds equal to the RBA rate. They add a margin, and the margin's around 2%.
Okay. Once rates start coming down, Rick asks, will banks pass on the full cut? And if not, where's the ACCC or government for that? The CBA boss has said, I think to the Telegraph overnight, that they will do it in conjunction with those reductions. Yeah, well, it'd be a very brave bank who doesn't pass on the rate reductions when they start in sometime in 2024. So, and the question becomes, when will they pass them on? Will they pass them on straight away, or will they wait 2 months or 25 days, or et cetera, et cetera? And some of the banks have been criticised for jacking the higher rates up immediately and not passing on the lower rates for some time, hanging on to the profit that sits in the lower rates. But I would say be a very brave bank who doesn't pass them on straight away.
Yeah, because there's a lot of struggling first-home owners, buyers out there as well, who just can't get in.
Well, there's a lot of people out there who are very clever who can go to a broker, and the brokers are currently delivering 72% of every single loan in this country in the banking system. And the brokers know exactly which bank is not passing them on, and the broker will say to you, if you're the borrower, hey, you're not going to get a low rate there.
Worth it to have a look at a broker.
Sorry?
Is it worth it to have a look at a broker?
You should look at a broker, because 72% of borrowers in this country are using brokers. And if you're not using a broker, you're out of touch with what's going on.
All right. Good to see you, Mark. Thank you so much.
Mark.
Let us know your feedback, continued feedback.